Hello! Welcome to, or welcome back to, What Do We Feed Our Children? In this video, I will show you another variation of the milkshake which we have been experimenting with, and it is approved in terms of quality by our little one. Let's see what the ingredients are. Milk, 15 fluid ounces, 2 ripe bananas, approximately 7.7 ounces, seeds mix, 3 ounces, cashew, 0.9 ounces, and strawberries, 2.1 ounces. Grind the seeds and cashew first. We add all the ingredients to the main container and mix. Normally, in these milkshakes, I use walnuts instead of cashew. But the walnut has a stronger taste and would have influenced the flavor of the drink more. Cashew, in my opinion, has a more refined taste and texture than the walnut. I wanted the strawberries to be predominant. Tell me, what do you prefer? Cashew or walnut? Until the next video, stay healthy and cheerful.